Hey! Are your CCTV cameras and alarm system not working as well as expected? Are you anxious? Frustrated? Annoyed? Fed up? Worried? And exasperated? Are you afraid of your premises being vulnerable to theft? Don't worry. We've got you and your family covered. We at Xtracom can help you with your issues. With more than 20 years of experience, Xtracom Ltd has the expertise to install, monitor and service security system that will make you feel safe 24/7. Contact us by phone on 58 60 38 88 or via WhatsApp on 52 52 01 52 or email us at info@xtracomsolutions.com. You may also check our website on www.xtracomsolutions.com. Xtracom. Going the extra mile for your satisfaction.